Well, welcome to the High Yield NAPLEX Exam Review course. Let's talk about what set this course apart and how to use it to succeed. Everything you need is right here. First, you get access to our NAPLEX QBank with style questions and rationale covering core concepts tested on this specific exam. Second, you get 2 unique NAPLEX style practice exams developed by faculty who have not only passed the test, but aligned it to the exam specific domains from the NAPLEX blueprint. These tools, strategically used together, represent a proven strategy for mastering core clinical concepts. You take a pretest to establish that baseline and kind of get your feet wet. We then move you into our question bank, or QBank, that has hundreds of practice test questions to build that confidence and apply the core concepts. And then we give you a post-test that is completely different than the pre-test and includes no questions from your QBank, which is very much like the real environment. So this course is designed with the goal of training you to not just know the material, but how to apply it. And guys, that is key. Let's face it, the NAPLEX pass rates have declined for a reason. Many people think watching lectures or reading guidelines or their notes is enough. It's not. You must practice applying the core concepts just like you will on the real exam. The High Yield NAPLEX QBank and practice exams will help you actively engage with the material, identify your gaps, and build testing skills. So why choose this review course over others? Well, guys, we have been successfully preparing pharmacists for licensure exam for over 18 years. We've trained tens upon thousands of healthcare professionals worldwide. And most importantly, we focus on teaching core concepts that are testable, not memorizing facts and making it feel easy. You won't find the actual exam questions anywhere, and that is a fact. But when you understand why something is the right answer, you'll be ready for whatever the test throws at you. So this isn't just about passing the NAPLEX. It's also about becoming the confident, sharp, and prepared clinician your patients rely on, regardless of where you're going to practice pharmacy. You're not just studying, you're building a lasting clinical insight and knowledge base. So you've got everything you need right here to pass the NAPLEX, and with a pass guarantee or your money back.